Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to talk about VPC and subnet. In this video, today I am going to explain what is VPC, what is subnet in Google Cloud Platform, right? So in VPC and subnet work, I'll explain you with the high level architecture, then you'll able to understand easily. The other part of this video, I'll explain the demo with how we'll quickly create the VPC and subnet with the help of Terraform, I mean infrastructure as a code. Then other part of this video, I'll use Gemini with the help of Code Assist and Gemini, how we'll create VPC and subnet in the Google Cloud Platform. I mean Google Cloud Networking Engineer, how they are getting super powerful tool with the help of Gemini. And so in this video, uh, three options I am going to show you how quickly create VPC subnet and the resource, I mean server and instance in Google Cloud Platform. So stay tuned with me to end of this video how I am going to create VPC subnet with the help of infrastructure as a code using Code Assist and Gemini, right? So okay, all right. So now let's get started with the architecture, high level architecture to understand, right? So as you can see this high level architecture, in this architecture, as you can imagine that there is one circle. The circle, you can imagine that you will create a VPC. So VPC is nothing but virtual private cloud. So virtual private cloud where we are creating in Google Cloud to create a private space to provision your resource in to deploy your private application, right? This is all about the VPC. Now coming to the subnetwork, what is subnet, right? So if I'll explain the subnetwork, each VPC network consists one or more IP ranges called subnetworks. What is that mean? The meaning is that whenever you are created a VPC. Inside the VPC, you have to create a multiple subnetwork along with the IP range, right? So IP range means the IP address is required. The certain IP range you need to define like class A IP, class B IP, class C IP based on your business volume. Then you need to define the IP range when you are going to create a subnetwork. So subnetwork is a regional resource in Google Cloud Platform across the globe. Whatever the region is available, based on your region, you have to create a subnetwork. For example, I want to create a subnetwork in the Singapore region. So you can able to create. Maybe you will create in India or UK, right? But depends on your requirement, which business, whether it is a regional or you want to expose in the global. So based on that, you can take the decision. Now as part of this architecture, you can see couple of options which I have mentioned, like subnet A, subnet B, subnet C, and the location which I have already mentioned over there. Inside the circle I'm able to create based on your business requirement, right? But how the people are interacting from the corporate office, people are how connecting to Google Cloud Platform. As you can see the options, we are going to deploy, ultimately some address is required, so that's why subnet come into the picture, right? I hope you get some insightful idea about why we are using the subnetwork and VPC in Google Cloud Platform, right? Now let me move on to the demo part, right? So how quickly provision the cloud VPC and subnet with the help of infrastructure as a code. Here you can see that my Terraform demo, the code which I have written, as you can see the VPC network and subnetwork Terraform code format. If you are not aware about it, so you try to learn more about the infrastructure as a code, how we'll create. So all these useful link I'll provide you in my description box to help you to understand that. So as you can see, code is ready, which I have written. Now the basic formality, once the code is ready, then what we will do? the few command we have to execute like Terraform initialize to check whether everything is perfectly fine or not, right? So once that is done, yeah, as you can see, this is one of the issues. So how to fix? You need to fix the help of the set path. You need to define the path where you have installed your Terraform. So once your path is set, then it will work, right? Now this Terraform initialize part is done, then what we'll do? We'll go for the Terraform plan. Terraform plan is basically when you are whatever the resource which you are going to provision before going to create, it will check what all our resource will be provisioned in your Google Cloud platform. This is all about Terraform plan. Then you'll the end of these things you have to use the Terraform apply. Terraform apply is nothing but you will have to use to create whatever the resource you have checked in your Terraform plan. If everything is okay, as you can see that I use Terraform apply, then now the resource is being created in my Google Cloud platform. But the same thing, if you are going to create manually in Google Cloud platform, it will take much time. But in infrastructure as a code, it will create multiple resource at a time quickly. But in console, at a time, you can provision one resource. But in Terraform, multiple resource all together you can able to create. That's the power of infrastructure as a code. And it is a uh, multi-cloud support Terraform. Now, quickly check the resource which we created through Terraform. As you can see, the VPC subnetwork and the server instance which we created the help of Terraform to verify the one of the server which I created on the Google Cloud platform. But as you can see, which VPC and which subnet is associated with it. This is what the VPC I created, what the subnet I created, associated with that subnet I provision the server, I mean instance, right? So this is all about the Terraform. But in addition to that, one more thing I would like to add here. For example, you want to destroy the infrastructure, that option is also available. So Terraform destroy command was the simple command to use to destroy, but it very careful you will use once it is a production, so it will be restricted. So if in a specific instance you want to destroy, so that will also be possible. How will do that? You'll use the resource ID, specific resource ID, then you'll use the destroy command. So it will destroy, it will delete the specific resource, right? So this is all about the Terraform demo, how we quickly provision the resource on Google Cloud Platform. Now, let me move on to the next part of this video, like how we'll use Gemini and Cloud Code Assist to create a VPC and subnetwork. In this demo, I'll use the specific prompt based on my requirement, what I am going to create, what we need. So as you can see over here, I just put help me to create one custom VPC and two subnet. Based on that, Gemini Code Assist will help me to write a high level script. That script will use in my terminal. I will run in terminal. As you can see, one script provided by Code Assist, I use that code script into my terminal. Now my script is working to create VPC and subnet. How quickly create VPC and subnet as per my need, which region I want to create, right? What are the range I want, so all that I have defined, right? So based on that, Code Assist helping me to provide the high level script. Then that script I executed in my terminal. It is working to create VPC, and also as you can see now subnet is creating. So within the fraction of second, my subnet and VPC is ready. Now as you can see, navigate to quickly to check in the console, my custom VPC is ready. my subnetwork, two subnetwork, US Central 1 and US East 1. Two subnetwork is also ready, as you can see. Now other part of this video, like in the Gemini, use that specific prompt, that script will ready. That script you will use in your terminal. The few things you need to change: which project you want to provision, the project ID you need to define. So based on that, it will help you to create your VPC and subnet. So this is all about this video. I hope this insightful video will be helpful to your cloud journey, to how you'll create VPC, how you'll create subnetwork, how you'll create instance with the help of Terraform, with the help of Cloud Code Assist, with the help of Gemini. So all these three options, it will be super helpful as part of your cloud journey in the networking stuff. So thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel to get more video. Thank you.